How to make Windows 10 bootable pen drive the easy way. Windows 10 has been released. All people are trying to install it in their computer. If your system doesn't have DVD drive, then Windows 10 can be installed with the help of your pen drive. The first you'll need to create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive must have at least 8 GB pen drive. Here are many tools available, but Rufus is a simple and easy to use, and it is faster than other tools. So first, download the Rufus software. Rufus is less than 1 MB in size and can be run on Windows easily. When it gets downloaded, copy it to the desktop. Attach the pen drive to USB drive. Now click on Rufus and select Run as Administrator option from the context menu. If the user account control dialog box appears, click Yes to verify. Rufus of the main window will appear. Now select the option as follows. Device. Select your pen drive from the option. Rufus also automatically detects your drive letter and capacity, so you can easily identify which device you are formatting. Partition scheme and target system type. In this option select the MBR partition scheme for BIOS or UEFI. File system. Select NTFS option. Cluster size, making it the set to default. Keep up with all the default option. If you've already downloaded Windows 10, then click the drive icon that available rightward to create a bootable disk using the ISO image option. In Explorer select Windows 10 ISO image file, then click on the Open button. New volume label. Here you can change the name of a bootable pen drive. Lastly, click on the Start button and click on OK to verify. If you still have not downloaded the Windows 10, first download it. Now Rufus will copy all the Windows 10 installation files on the pen drive. It may take about 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on the speed of your pen drive. Thanks for watching. If you like, then please subscribe our channel.